Let me show you how easy it can be to transform multiple images into a video using Flixier. I'm also gonna show you how you can add audio, text, transitions, and more to your clip in order to make your video stand out. Right from the start, I'll tell you that you won't need to install any applications. All you have to do is go to Flixier.com and click on Get Started. Before we move on, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. After you click Get Started, a pop-up window will appear showing you multiple import options. You can upload images from your laptop directly or scan a QR code to import them from your phone. Additionally, you can import images from Google Drive, Dropbox, and other platforms. After choosing your import option, you can browse for the images you want to upload. Select as many images as you wish, and after selecting your files, click Import All and your images will be added to the Flixier library. Once you've added your images to the library, you're ready to start putting together your video. Just drag and drop the images onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. The timeline is organized into tracks that stack on top of each other. You can arrange your images in the order you want them to appear in your final video by dragging them one after the other on the same track. To ensure that your images are well framed on the canvas, you can adjust their size and position. Click an image on the timeline to select it, then use the handles to resize or move the image until it fits perfectly on the canvas. To make your video more engaging, you can add background music or sound effects. Select the audio section where you'll find a variety of free-to-use songs and sound effects. Browse through the options and drag the audio you want to use down to the timeline. It's best practice to place the audio under the images and video tracks. You can move the audio clips around to change the timing and drag on their ends to change their duration. Additionally, you can add transitions between your images for a smoother flow. To do this, open the Transitions menu on the left to explore the dozens of available options. When you find one you like, drag it down between the images on the timeline. Adding text to your video can also enhance your storytelling. To do this, go to the text section where you'll find a variety of professionally designed presets. Pick your favorite one and click on it to add the text to the timeline. Make sure you drag your text to a new track on top of the images on the timeline or it will be covered up by your photos. You can customize the text using the menu on the right side of the screen, adjusting the font, size, color, and other properties to fit the style of your video. For additional effects, you can create picture-in-picture or split-screen layouts. This means you can place one image or video on top of another. To do this, drag the image or video on a new track above the other one, then resize and position it however you want. After arranging all of your images, adding audio, and applying any text or effects, your video is ready to export. Click the Export button and in just a few moments, your video is ready to download.